Something is getting it. Oh. There we go. There we go. Get up here, baby. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna try something new out today. We have picked up this Profishiency fishing rod, and I picked it up for 20 bucks at Walmart. And it is super tiny. It's very light. So this here actually shrinks down, and I mean, just in comparison to my arm, that's how long it is. Not long at all. It looks really nice. I don't know how sturdy it's gonna be. It has 3-pound test on it, so not sure on how well it's gonna hold up. It does have a pretty nice drag system, so we're gonna just check it out and see how it works. Just at first glance, it's nice. Nice colors, nice setup. But the question is, how well is it gonna work if we get a fish on? It doesn't seem very flimsy at all. It's pretty stiff. I'm gonna let out a little bit of line here. Try to drop it. It's not dropping. So the first cast attempt was an epic fail. All we did was sling the worm off, so we're gonna give her a try again. Seems like the drag is still pretty tight. Do a small cast. So I realized this release button is not working as it should. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the latch is getting pretty stuck every time I press it. It doesn't let the worm go. And that's twice, 3 times, 4, and that was 5. So that's probably part of the reason why it's not casting out there as it should. There we go. Alright, you guys, so we have shown up at this beautiful lake behind us, and it is about an hour and a half from the house, and it is pretty chilly out today. So we haven't called it quits on trying to catch something on the Profishiency rod combo that is extremely tiny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cast around with this thing, well, if it will allow us to cast with this, and see if we can at least get one fish on today. So let's be hopeful and let's get out there. Alright, so we're gonna try again today. Let's see. Still pressing the button and it's not letting loose. Still not letting go. So nothing has changed as far as that. So we're still trying to get it to work. Awesome. Alright, finally. See if we can make a cast. Let's get as close to this edge as possible. Oh, nope, it did not let go. Nope, still didn't let go. All we did was throw a worm around. Gosh. There we go. Oh, I think we threw our worm off, so we're gonna have to try that again. Alright, so we're gonna try something a little different with the bobber, and hopefully the worm gets down low enough. So we'll try this out, see if we even can get it casted in there. Oh, that's slippery. Oh, wee. man. That was not good. Ah, see? That's what I can't stand right there. Did a couple good casts and then screwed up. Alright, you guys, so we are back at a trail that we've been to once before. I'm not sure on how much luck we're gonna have here. Once again, we are still trying to catch something on the Proficiency mini rod here. But nonetheless, there is not very much going on here. The water's pretty still. I do have some worms again, so let's see what we can catch. So we have moved spots down a little bit. What we're hoping is that maybe this is a little bit deeper water. I noticed that this water is definitely darker than the water up towards the entrance. Let's see if this is gonna let go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, well, not really sure what it'll feel like if a fish actually grabs a hold of it. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Okay. 4. Alright. Got it out there on the 4th try. Oh, something got it. Oh, man. Dang, something had it. Crap. Dang, that sucks. We almost caught a fish. Almost. Okay. Say that again? Trout for dinner? No, just having fun. It's been hard to catch hardly anything lately. I love it when we run into people who actually enjoy fishing themselves. It's pretty nice. Oh, dang. 3. There we go. I don't know if y'all seen that. Something is getting it. Oh. Come on, let's see if we can get him up. Let's see if we can get him up. Let's see if we can get him up. Oh, man. Let's see if we can get him up. Oh. All right. We got a fish on the Proficiency rod. Look at that. I mean, look, this bluegill is definitely not big at all. This bluegill, much smaller than my hand. And just look, in comparison to that reel right there. I mean, geez. Whoo! At least we caught a fish on it. That's all that matters. Yes! Let's see if we can get this one. Oh man, this is a disaster. It's all sorts of tangled up in the line. There it goes. Alright, we got it loose. Look at this little thing. I can't lip it. Super tiny. But look at the colors. Absolutely gorgeous. You got a little bit of purple, gold, yellowish. I mean, gosh, great. And there it went. Yes! Yes! Alright, you guys, so in case I don't catch another fish, I did want to go ahead and wrap up this review of the Proficiency rod that collapsed, and actually you can put it right in your backpack. It's really handy. I can say overall the thought that's gone into this was pretty decent. The only complaint that I have, really and truly, the biggest complaint would be this button here. The push button does not work. It does not work as it's meant to be. So that is about the biggest flaw in this production here. However, the second flaw, well, what I consider a flaw anyways, is my opinion, would be the fact that when you go to hook the fish, it's really hard to get any feeling in this tip. It is very, very stiff. So there's like, I mean, it's nice if possibly you get onto a bass, but for like smaller fish, which I'm assuming is what you'll probably be catching mostly on this, it's really hard to feel the fish bite. I mean, we did see a little bit of rod movement on the tip, but the majority, like, I can kind of feel it in my hand just by the bump on the line. But for the vast majority, it was really hard to feel anything. Now, the best part about this though is I can say, besides the fact that you can basically fit it almost anywhere, that's one thing I really do love about it. It comes with some weights, which I did not know until recently. It comes with some line weights, and so that's in case you ever have to bring this line back through here. So not only does it have the actual like metal wire that you can stick through here, but it does have those in order to make it a lot easier. So what you do is you tie it onto the end of your line and you put it through this hole here. Not sure if y'all really can see that, but there's an actual hole, and you'll slide it through and it'll come right out the top there. Of course, it has a little compartment here. You can store it away. And what I've also been doing, instead of using the actual hook keeper here, sometimes I'll use this little piece here. Sometimes I just find it's a little bit easier. It gives it a little bit more line. But the reeling of it, of course, you have to reel in a lot, but we're able to get a fish on, so that's about the biggest factor of it, is catching fish. So can it catch fish? Yes, it can. Now, how well can it hold up? That's for your own opinion, you know. Get out there, try it out for $20. I can't say I completely wasted my money. So I figured, even though it's pouring down rain right now, I am catching fish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to continue to give this rod a little bit more of a shot in hopes that we can at least catch one or two more fish. But if not, we were at least able to catch one, and that's better than none. Ah, briars killing me. One. All right, I got one out there on the first try. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get up here, baby. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Second fish on the combo. On a Profishiency combo. Whew. Second fish. Definitely a little bit bigger than first. Definitely wanted it though. That guy was a bit feisty. He kind of threw himself around, but he's gonna make it. There he goes. He's off. Yes, second for the day. Oh, God. 2. Come on now. 3. 4. Nope. 5. All right. We got that one out there on the 5th try. Oh, we've had a fish on this whole time. They're just swimming around with it in their mouth. Look at Look at that. Well, I had no freaking idea. I was just leaving it there. But look at ah! I had no idea. That little guy was just chilling with it in his mouth. Alright, that's him. Let's see if he'll go back. Woo! 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 There he goes. We almost fell right in with him. Alright. Well, on that note, that means it is time to go.